Now let's see example 1. Calculate projection M onto N. Then decompose M into M1 and M2, where your M1 is parallel to N and M2 is orthogonal or perpendicular to N. So just now we already learned the formula of projection of V onto W. So now let's rewrite what we want to have now, which is projection of M onto N. So the formula is M dot N over magnitude N squared multiply with vector N. So let's focus on finding the projection first. First of all, you need M dot N. Okay, so the formula is M dot N is 7 multiplied minus 3 plus minus 4 multiplied minus 2. So the answer is minus 13. The second thing that we need is magnitude N. So the formula is square root minus 3 squared plus minus 2 squared. So the answer here is square root of 13. Therefore, now we can substitute all of our information in this formula here to find V1. So let's calculate now the projection of M onto N. So you need M dot N over magnitude N squared multiplied by N. So fill in M dot N minus 13. Fill in magnitude N squared, 13 squared, and then multiply with N. So your N is minus 3 minus 2. Let's simplify this here. Cancel out 13 divided by 13. So you're left with minus. Therefore, your answer here is 3, 2, or you can write it as 3i plus 2j. After we got M1, which is the projection, the next step is we want to find M2. So the formula of M2 is M minus M1. Therefore, let's fill in our M, 7 minus 4. And then we minus our M1 just now, 3, 2. Therefore, our answer is 4 minus 6. Or you can write it as 4i minus 6j. Now, let's move on to example 2. Calculate projection of M onto N, then decompose M into M1 and M2, where M1 is parallel to N and M2 is orthogonal to N. So this is the N that's given, 2 minus 1, and then M is 1, 1. So let's see the formula here. This is formula that we got earlier on. So let's rearrange. So now we want to find projection of M onto N. So the formula is M dot N over magnitude N squared multiplied to vector N. Now let's begin with finding M dot N. So the formula is 1 times 2 plus 1 minus 1. The answer is 1. Next, we need magnitude N squared. It is square root 2 squared plus minus 1 squared. So you'll get the answer square root of 5. Now, let's apply the formula here. Projection of M onto N. Let me rewrite the formula. M dot N over magnitude N squared multiply vector N. So let's fill in. This is equal to 1 over, let's take the answer just now. This is square root of 5, but we need to square the magnitude and then multiply with your N. Our N right now is 2 minus 1. So the answer here, after you calculate, it is 2 over 5 minus 1 over 5. So this is the answer for M1, which is your projection. So since we have our M1 right now, it is possible for us to find M2. So let's use the formula. M is equal to M1 plus M2. Therefore, M2 is equal to M minus M1. Let's put in our M, 1, 1, minus our M1, which is 2 over 5, minus 1 over 5. So the answer here you'll get is 3 over 5, 6 over 5. So that's all about vector projection. I hope you can understand well from this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.